Hi, Clark Harvey here, the barbecue mortgage guy, owner of First Rate Mortgage, been serving clients for 25 years. We are currently licensed to do business in 6 states in residential, soon to be 7 states. We're adding Texas, should be live in the next 30 days or so. We also do hard money loans, business lines, SBA loans, and commercial loans in all 50 states, up to $2 billion. And just want to give you a week 4 market update of 2023. Compared to last week, rates are relatively the same. And if you're looking to buy or refi, you know what? It's still a fantastic time. Why? Because the market is stabilizing. Rates are stabilizing. And we do believe that they'll continue to move downward as the months move forward. We have many temporary and permanent buy down options for the rate to make the payment a little more affordable for you. And also, we have some awesome products on the refinance side. If you're savvy and want to use some of the equity in your home, we have a first mortgage HELOC that we can do on a primary residence, a secondary or vacation home, and an investment property. That's right, we can do a first position HELOC, home equity line of credit, on an investment property. So if you know of anyone looking to utilize that product, we can certainly help them. And reach out to me or my team at 801-562-9100. Thanks and have a great day.